and welcome to Alliance Energy Source, your trusted HVAC service provider. Today, we're excited to take you on a journey through the key components of your furnace. Understanding these elements can help you appreciate the technology that keeps your home comfortably warm during colder months. A glimpse into the heart of your furnace, brought to you by Alliance Energy Source. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing for more insights into HVAC excellence.